Hello and welcome to Captain Scott's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a classic jam roly-poly. First, let's have a cup of tea. For the jam roly-poly we will need 50 grams of butter, 250 grams of self-raising flour. I've got plain flour, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You need 50 grams of suet. You can use beef or vegetable suet, but I'm going to use beef. 125 millilitres of milk. Jam, whichever jam you like. I've just got some spare blackberry jam, so I'm going to use that. And I don't need sugar, so I don't know why I've got the sugar out. Right. What you also need is a tray full of water, and stick this on gas mark 3, and I'm assuming it's to steam it. So you've got baking parchment and silver foil. And I'm completely prepared. Your weapon of choice. Now add cubed butter, mix all the ingredients together, and then slowly add the... Oh crap. Add a bit more milk if you require. Well, bugger. Well, let's give this a go. So I now need to mix it until it mixes into a soft dough. And rub the flour into... I've done this completely wrong, basically. So I should have rubbed this together, and I basically haven't. Now I'm going to make a complete mess. But join me for making a complete mess and doing this completely wrong. And then showing people why British food is the best in the world. So, obviously, being from Britain, I love British food, but I'm not doing it justice. Oh dear. I wonder if this is going to turn out okay. Well, I should probably add some "oh yeah" music from Techmo. We'll be right back once this forms into a dough. After you've made hopefully a better dough than what this looks like, flour your board. And I've just realised I've used every single bit of flour I've got on this. Brilliant. Now roll into a square of 25 centimetres. So yeah, don't really have much experience. Oh, these always turn out round for me, so yes, this is going to go well. I can't do this one-handed, so I'll be back when I've got a square. Right, this is about as square as I can really make it. I've just been taking bits off the edge and just slapping them on. You do need flour under here because at the moment this is just sticking to my board. So it's not ideal. Right, so far this has been a complete disaster as per usual. So what you should do next is put the jam over the jam roly-poly, fold it up into a jam roly-poly, and then put it on the parchment. But because this is sticking so much to here, I'm going to stick this on here first, since it won't stick as much. I'm going to try and square this out because it's unsquared itself. But yes. Right, so let's see how this works. So, jam, there, spread. You get the idea. I'm going to do this over and over. There's a specific amount, but I'm just going to slap it on until it feels like it's done. Yeah, can't do this one-handed. I'll return to you in a moment. Right, so Now that I've spread the jam, I now need to try and roll this up. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. No, I can't. It's going to be a disaster anyway, so be right back. Right then, so yes, yet again, my lack of flour just to cover everything is causing me issues. So I have, yeah, this is not good. Follow some better YouTubers for just follow it better up. So now I need to wrap up this. I actually think I've possibly used too much parchment paper. Scrunch this up, put that over there, and we'll be right back. Right then, so this is scrunched up. It's got to expand a bit because it's got self-raising. It's got self-raising things in it. So yeah, this needs to cook for an hour. So oven gone out. Right. See you in approximately 8 cups of tea. Turn off. What do we reckon? Turn that off first of all. Excuse the washing up. Cold. Clearly saw me put the wrong oven on. It's now on. See? Okay, part way in, and I realised it was supposed to be sitting on the shelf directly above the water. It wasn't supposed to be on a tray. So this is yet another mistake I've made today. Right, so that's after an hour. So, it kind of resembles it. Certainly smells like it. Oh, that's not how to make Jam Roly-Poly.